A vortex robot uses the principle of vortex motion, spiral or swirling fluid flows, to either move, clean, or manipulate its environment. The vortex action can be used to suck up debris, propel the robot, or separate materials. A vortex robot has powerful and consistent performance. It is less clogging and maintenance. It is good for fluid environments. It is energy efficient in long-term use. It has vortex suction, which maintains strong, constant suction for cleaning or separation. The vortex robot has fewer traditional moving parts, like gears or propellers, which results in lower mechanical wear and longer service life. Many vortex robots include gyroscopes, accelerometers, obstacle detection sensors, pressure and flow sensors, which enable adaptive movement and optimized pathing. In underwater or fluid-based systems, vortex propulsion can offer better directional control and less turbulence than traditional propellers. Vortex-based propulsion or suction systems often consume less energy than older methods, due to optimized flow dynamics. Fewer moving parts in vortex systems can mean lower wear and tear, making them more reliable over time.